She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
What's up, y'all? So today I'm gonna do another makeup video because I have nothing else to do with my life. So I'm gonna do like a pink look. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. So what I use is the Pretty Vulgar eyeliner because that just looks good on my eyebrows, so I just use that, and it's kind of like broken because I dropped it. But anyways, I'm gonna use this Second Love eyebrow brush, I don't freaking know, and this Aesthetica spoolie, and this Alamar brush to conceal. So let me do that. I should talk about something. So I start school next Monday. Great. Let's see if I'm gonna have enough like motivation to film in the morning. Might not, but anyways, I'm gonna fill in my brow. So let's talk about school. I hate school. But I start school next Monday and I'm gonna be a junior. I want to graduate already, but gotta finish this year, then I'm gonna be a senior. But I'm scared, like I'm nervous. Like I'm so nervous. Cause I'm like really shy. I'm scared. And I don't know who I'm gonna have classes with. This one went by way too fast. Like way too fast. That's crazy. Okay, this eyebrow's looking terrible because it looks longer than this one, but it's alright because it's gonna look better. Now I'm gonna take this, well, it says concealer, the Black Forest palette, but it looks like a contour palette, but it says concealer. So anyways, I'm gonna conceal my brows. Now I'm gonna blend that out with a beauty blender. And this beauty blender is dirty, sorry. Don't come at me. I need to clean it, so yeah. Okay, so I just finished my brows. They don't look that good, but I tried. So now, I forgot to moisturize my face, so I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna use this Curel moisturizer. I'm only gonna use a little bit. So now I'm gonna put some of that same concealer stuff on my eyelids to make a base. Dang, this girl's getting so many messages. Okay, I'm gonna take the James Charles palettes. Use the shade Skip, which is this one right here. The Lux 231 brush. I'm gonna put that pink shade like. You'll see. Now I'm gonna take shade Pinkity Drinkity. Which one is this one? It's like a really light pink. To blend that out. Take the brush I use for my eyebrows and the same concealer shade to cut the crease. I'm gonna take, hold up, let me get it. I'm gonna take the Airspun loose powder and any random brush and put it on top of the concealer. Yeah! I'm gonna take like a bigger brush to wipe that out. And then with this, I'm gonna take this PUR per whatever the freak that's called, Festival palette. I'm gonna take this Fireworks shade right here, and I'm gonna put that on top of the cut crease. And now, with the same pink shade I use right here, which is called Skip, I'm gonna blend it together. So that's how the eyeshadow looks. I mean, it looks good. So now let me do the other eye. So I finished the eyeshadow. And now, this is how it looks like, by the way. Really cute, you know. So now I'm gonna take the No Pore Blend Primer, which I love. I love this primer. Barbie! Barbie! And I just put it on my face. Okay, so I just finished putting primer on, and now I almost forgot, I have to put pink on my lower lash line, so let me do that now. I look sick now. But now, I'm gonna put on foundation.
She's gonna put on
barbecue! So now, I use the Fit Me 340 cappuccino, and this isn't really my shade, but it's alright. So I'm gonna pour some on the cap. I'm gonna take this brush. It's like a kabuki brush. Put some foundation on it and start putting it on my face. So don't worry, it's not gonna look like this forever. I'm gonna make it way better. So don't judge, please. So, the freak? I look so ugly. I'm gonna take a beauty blender and like blend it better. And now, I'm gonna take some concealer from that same palette and put it in my concealer places. Now I'm gonna blend it. My face looks so oily. But I'm gonna take this air spun powder again, pour it on the cap. And then put it on my face. Anyways, y'all. So I just put some in my face, and now I'm gonna take this Luxie 512 brush to like bronze and stuff, even though I don't need that because my face is already dark because I don't have the right foundation shade. But what I use is, okay, so sometimes I use the Tarte one and sometimes I use the Pretty Vulgar one. So I'm gonna use this one. Now, I'm gonna take some more powder and put it right here. Now, I'm gonna take this powder off and leave this one on while it bakes. I'm gonna take this brush that I was using to put on the bronzer so I could take the powder off. Okay, I just took the powder off and I'm gonna put mascara on. So I'm gonna use the... Okay, I'm gonna take the Better Than Sex mascara, the pink one, and put that on my eyelashes. So, let me do that. Now, I'm gonna take this powder off I'm gonna take my Ardell Wispies and put on the lashes. I use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. It's like $2, so it's cheap and it works good. So now I gotta wait till it gets tacky, so. By the way, y'all, these are my favorite lashes. They're in the 113 Ardell Wispies. They're the best eyelashes. Like, I freaking love them so much. Now I'm gonna put them on. No, this one I'm on. This one I'm in.
Yo sé.
I have to say thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Me gusta cómo se ve mi pelo, bro.
Other lash. Say hi to my cousin, my prima. She's ugly anyways. Y'all see how my foundation looks way better? It did not look good before, but I made it better. I told y'all I was gonna do it. Y'all didn't have faith in me. But now look. Let me stop. So that's how the eyeshadow looks. And now I'm gonna put on blush. And the blush I use is the blush from the Alamar Cosmetics. And what I do is I mix these two shades to make like a pretty pink. And I put it on my cheekbones. This video is probably gonna be so long, and I'm sorry y'all, but I need some content. A lot of people are probably not even gonna watch this because I get like no views. Because my videos are starting to get boring. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like my videos are starting to get boring. But I'm trying to post consistently. Like, I'm doing good though, because last year when I did YouTube, I like never posted. I only posted like once every like 3 months, and then I deleted all those posts because I didn't like it. Now I'm doing good. I'm freaking thriving. So I'm gonna take the James Charles palette again, and I'm gonna use the shade Face, and I'm gonna use that as highlight. Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush. Look at that glow. God. I really want to like start doing people's makeup. Like, I want to do people's makeup for like prom. So if you want your makeup done for like prom, homecoming, birthdays, all that, hit me up. But I'm gonna charge you because I'm not doing this free stuff no more. Let me put my hair down for this. Ooh, now I look ugly. I don't really like my hair like that because my hair is like so nappy right here, and that's not cute, but it's alright. Now the last step I do is I take this Alamar I have a lot of Alamar Cosmetics products, but I'm gonna take this Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss in it's Mother of Pearl gloss. If you want your makeup done, hit me up. Like I said, hit me up. By the way, y'all, I made a new Instagram because I couldn't get in my old one, so you should follow it. It's gonna be right here, wherever in the screen. So make sure you follow me. Get me to 1K. I used to be at 7K, and now I'm down at like 100 followers, and I'm pissed. But you know what? I could gain my way back up. But that was it for this video, y'all. Make sure you like this video. If you liked it, you don't gotta like it. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see my face more, and make sure you comment what videos you want me to do, like what videos you want me to post. Bye, y'all.